Hey guys, Mike here again. Mike Computer Tips. How's everybody doing? What's happening? Now, I want to talk today about some issues that a lot of people have. People have these issues on their computer, and it's the same issues I'm seeing over and over. They vary a little bit, but it's pretty much the same stuff. And what I mean is, here's a little scenario, okay? Customer calls me, the printer on the computer's not working, okay? So I go to the house. They don't do maintenance on their computer. I noticed that first. So I clean the computer. Now the printer works. Now the question is why? Well, here's the thing. If your computer's not working right, your printer's not going to be working right either. I mean, as simple as that. And you may say, well, the printer really has nothing to do with the computer. That's not true. You got a lot of junk on your computer, fouling it up, making it slow, not running correctly. The printer is not going to function right. And that also works for VPNs on your computer. It also works if you have a lot of junk files, if you go to X-rated websites or websites where you get cracked programs, which are considered the dark web. So, you go into a lot of these bad websites, and people ask me, I go to these sites, but what's the deal, And I'm like, well, there's a reason why your ISP doesn't want you to go. Your internet provider provides you with a basic scanner and doesn't want you to go to these sites because it's going to mess up your computer, and then you're going to be calling the internet company, and they only get paid if you use your computer. When people call the internet company and say, hey, my computer's not working and my internet's not working, 9 out of 10 times the problem's the computer, but the internet companies will give you credit if you bug them enough, and they want to get paid for their service. So they want your computer to work good so you can use their internet service. That's how it goes. And why don't they want you to go to these bad sites, these dangerous sites? Because it will affect your computer. So they do have an interest in if your computer's running okay. They might not be able to fix it. They always refer you to a guy like me to fix it, but they want to keep you online because that's how they make their money. You're using the internet. You're getting charged a monthly fee. So, it's like your car. I tell people, you put bad gas in your car. You don't change your spark plugs. You don't tune up your car every once in a while. Computer's the same thing. You're using your computer every day, doing all these different tasks on it. You expect it to be like a perfect specimen. It's going to be like working perfect all the time, which is never going to happen if you don't do maintenance. Maintenance is like a small thing that makes a big difference. And most people, you could tell them all day what to do, how to do maintenance to their computer, and they'll never do it. But, I tell people, watch some of my videos because they're very short. A lot of my videos are 5 minutes or less, and they tell you how to maintain your computer. So if you got a lot of stuff going on in your computer and you're wondering why your printer don't work, how come I can't go to all these different websites? Why is the computer freezing up? Why am I always having problems with the computer? Well, because you're not cleaning your temps, you're not removing your cookies, you're not going into your browser and clearing your history out, you're not running CCleaner, you're not cleaning your registry out. These are all kind of simple things to do, and I show you step by step how to do them, and it may take you a maximum of 20 minutes to do it once every month. So I tell people, And I'm saying it again, watch some of my videos and you'll learn how to do these basic functions that'll keep your computer running good. So just because, your printer's not working, you think the problem is your printer, a lot of times it's not the printer, it's the computer. So, it all goes hand in hand. So just remember that. Next time you have a computer problem, or when you turn your computer on and you got all these different pop-ups and you have a lot of memory in your computer, but your computer's still running slow, which I see that all the time with my customers. People bring their laptop to me and they got 8 gigs of memory and not that many programs, and the computer's not very fast. Most of the time they have programs running on startup menus. That means that they're running in the background and they're using the memory that you need to use the computer with without you even knowing. You have to go to Task Manager and disable everything on startup in Task Manager. Watch some of my videos, you will see. Why do you have pop-ups popping up on the screen? Why? When you click on your browser to go to a website, there's 2 or 3 things going on because you're not cleaning your history out in your browser. Very simple. So all these things can be dealt with very simply. Watch some of my videos and you'll learn how to do everything. If you have any comments, I always love to answer comments or any questions that you may have. Just drop them in the comments, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down for the video. And I will see you in the next video. And click the bell and make sure the bell is on all and not personalized. That way you'll be the first to see the new video that comes out. Till then, I want to end it right here. This is Mike from Mike's Computer Tips, and I will see you again later.